Okay, what I'm going to go over trying to capture shots that aren't detected by the system. So I'm going to tee it up, and I'm starting it from the bin directory where it's installed, and I'm starting up the tee it up app, this file. You can start the full thing up with the shortcut. That's fine. Just in this case, I don't necessarily need to run E6. So now I'll go to Chrome and open up the Tee It Up control panel, which we access from localhost :8080. There should be a shortcut on your desktop for this. So now you'll see a live view of the overhead camera, and you'll see there's a trigger shot button here. So the way this works is, and it requires two people, you have one person hitting shots, and at impact you're going to press the trigger shot button. And if the system detects the shot, then nothing out of the ordinary will happen. It will do what it always does. But if you press the button and for whatever reason the system did not trigger a shot, then it will save what we call a missed trigger. So in my case, I'm going to move the ball over here so I can press the button because I don't have anyone here to assist me. And I'm going to just hit a putt sideways, which obviously wouldn't be detected by the system. So at impact, I press the trigger button. The system didn't detect that a shot was hit, so now it's announcing that it's saving missed trigger. You'll hear that several times. It takes several seconds to save this because we save a lot more video than we normally do for just a normal shot. So now that it says ready and waiting for next shot, then I can go browse to the directory where we have Tee It Up installed. So I have my December 10th directory here. I'm in the bin directory, and you'll see now I have a missed trigger, and this is the right date timestamp. So if I go into this directory and I just double click on this test0 capture file, then it'll actually open up the video of both sides, and I can actually see the full video playing. It'll show the frame number of each frame. I can actually pause this by hitting the space bar. Then I can use the right arrow to go forward, the left arrow to go back. You have a page up, page down button, which I don't right now because I'm on a Mac. You can actually page up and page down, which will move faster, or I can just hold it down like this. So this would allow you to look at the shot and see if, in the example of a putt, was it actually originated from this area, which it should have been. If you see that the putt is outside the boundaries of the box, like on the edges or even outside, then that's why it didn't get detected. If you see the ball for a full shot, let's say being hit along this line, and it landed here, therefore it didn't cross this trigger area, which is where the ball needs to be seen by the cameras in order to trigger a full shot, then that would be why it happened. If it's not obvious from there, then we can download it via our support tool and analyze it on our computers and figure out what went wrong. So that's the way the trigger shot works.